Good morning, Father. So my question to you is, how effectively did the students explain their scientific concept?
Well, I went around and found out that the students are prepared not only the practical experience of the models, rather they have thoroughly studied. And I posed some of the questions which are related to the models, and they were very well able to explain. This shows that it is not only the practice, rather they have done the theory very well.
Now, Father, which is that one project or which is that one model that you found like it was really innovative?
To answer this question, I can say not one. I like every project which were prepared by our students. But if you ask me to choose one or two, I can certainly say that there is a project which shows how the cities are making the pollutions, emitting the dirty water into the rivers, into the water bodies, which gives us the message how we can take steps forward in order to make the environment which is healthy to live in. Secondly, most of us would like to have the junk food, but our students have beautifully brought out the aspect of healthy food, how it helps us to live a good life.
First and foremost, I must appreciate the school authority, especially the principal and vice principal as well as the management. And in a special way, the teachers for preparing the students so well. Some of the students have designed the project in very special manner, taking into consideration the needs of the society. And I was impressed to see that our school normally they think that this is not that good school, but looking at the explanation and the presentation by our students, especially the students of lower standards like grades, has made me realize that our school is the best school. So it is heads off to the teachers and the management.
Good morning and welcome to the science exhibition of Fatima High School. My first question is, how effectively did the students explain their scientific concepts?
If I say almost all the students are explained well. The preparation was also very nice. Lot of if I say all the first and the second one, they were prepared well. I was not expecting so much explanation from them, so it was very nice. Good job.
Okay.
मला ही जे सायन्स एक्झिबिशन केलेलं आहे त्याबद्दल काय वाटतं म्हणजे कसं आहे काही इम्प्रूव्हमेंट करायला हवी आहे का
खूप छान इनिशिएटिव्ह आहे शाळेची. इम्प्रुव्हमेंट तर नक्कीच खूप माफ आहे, कारण काही जे मॉडेल्स आहेत एकदम आपण समजा बाहेरच्या शाळेला सुद्धा इम्प्रूव्ह करायचा प्लॅन केला किंवा त्यांना एक आमंत्रण द्यायचं, ते मॉडेल खूप बेसिक हे होतं. सो स्टुडंट लोकांना अजून त्यावरती थोडंसं अफोर्ड केलं पाहिजे. काही प्रोजेक्ट असे इथे 8वीच्या मुलांनी केलेले आहेत, 2009 आय गेस, ते खूप इनोव्हेटिव्ह आहेत. स्पेसिफिकली ते इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आणि जो प्रोजेक्टर आहे तो आपण नॉर्मल घरीसुद्धा वापरू शकतो एकदम इझिएस्ट वेमध्ये.
प्रदर्शनामुळे तुमच्या मुलाची विज्ञानातील आवड वाढण्यास किंवा त्यांची समस्या सोडवण्याची कौशल्य सुधारण्यास मदत झाली असे तुम्हाला वाटते का? ह्या प्रदर्शनाचं जे नियोजन केलेलं आहे आणि इथलं वातावरण त्याबद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटते की नियोजन चांगलं आहे की अजून सुधारणा व्हायला पाहिजे की कसं हे वातावरण कसं वाटते तुम्हाला? हां ओके म्हणजे तुम्हाला आवडलं एकंदरीत. सायन्स एक्झिबिशन बघितलं त्यामधलं तुम्हाला कोणतं मॉडेल किंवा प्रकल्प सर्वात जास्त आवडला आणि त्यातलं नक्की तुम्हाला काय असं प्रभावी वाटलं?
बेसिकली जे रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग 2-3 जणांनी केलं होतं दॅट वॉज व्हेरी नाईस बिकॉज इट शोज अस की आपण रेन वॉटर कसं हार्वेस्ट केलं पाहिजे वी कॅन यूज इट फॉर अवर फ्युचर पर्पज. अँड देर आर मेनी अदर्स बट दिस वॉज द बेस्ट वन अँड मेनी ऑफ दॅट अँड अदर्स आर लाईक टू गुड.
Effectively did the students explain their scientific concepts?
All the students were very good with their exhibition and they were having thorough knowledge about what they had prepared. So they explained very nicely about the concept what they have prepared.
Okay. Which project or model did you find most innovative?
everything was very nice, but the laser and the hologram was something different. And it was very nice. It was impressive, very impressive. But all the students have put lot of efforts, and even for first to third, I think parents have put lot of efforts in the project. Even teachers and school did very nice job. Means I see forward that every year some or the different the experiments will be there in future also like this.
Okay, surely. Ma'am, as a parent, do you feel that this exhibition helped children develop a deeper interest in science?
Yes, well, definitely, because it's very nice because students have to actually prepare and they have to learn few things. So it was nice initiation. So students also came to know so many things and have come closer to science.
My first question is, how effectively did the students explain their scientific concept?
As we on the ground, it was not unexpected. So we never thought that children will have students of qualities. As we went from the lower class, so it was the presentations were like very nice because the students were not able to say, but they could express their words. As I went on next level, the expectations came out. Students explained nicely. Maybe from standard 4th, they started explaining more details. Whereas lower class, we could find there are students who are explaining but expressing more. Now the explanation came in higher class. The expectations were more and it was up to the mark.
जे हे सायन्स एक्झिबिशन तुम्ही पाहायला आला आहात तर तुम्ही हे पाहिलंच असेल तर त्याच्यामधलं तुम्हाला कोणतं मॉडेल किंवा प्रकल्प सर्वात जास्त आवडला?
Actually, all the projects and all the whatever innovations they have made very nice, outstanding.
या प्रदर्शनामुळे आपल्या मुलांची विज्ञानामधली आवड वाढण्यास आणि त्यांच्या समस्या सोडवण्यास मदत होणार आहे असं तुम्हाला वाटते?
Absolutely. I think it will improve and it will encourage their creative thinking.
Did you think that the students have explained the scientific concept, like whatever they had presented in the form of model, chart? What do you think that when they were giving explanation, how were they explaining? Like, was it easy to understand? Was it
very good? The children have made it very well, and they had also have a very good confidence of the science exhibition, and they had also been well improved their performance in explaining, and also they can also go in our national level project also if they had made a mind-blowing project.
okay? Which project or model did you find most innovative, or it impressed everybody? Like,
it was the Chandrayaan 2 which they have explained, and how innovative they had do it there, and with a very good patent.
Thank you so much. One thing we could change to make future exhibitions even more engaging for both students and parents?
Yeah, maybe need improvement. I think it should not consider too many projects, and maybe we can promote like current project and innovating think of new project. Like teach a student that think something about like how can we make things a little better. And one subject and all of them may make like lot of variations of one project. Yeah.
होतं पहिलाच प्रयत्न मला वाटतं एक्झिबिशन पहिलंच आहे, परंतु व्यवस्थित आणि नीटलं, कारण लहान मुलांचं मोठ्या मुलांचं आवडलंच भेटलीच नाही, परंतु छोटी मुलं छोटी बोलतात आणि एक्सप्लेनेशन करतात, खूप आवडलं. म्हणजे आम्ही भारावून गेलो, कारण आणि त्यांनी प्रोजेक्ट बनवलं ना ते एकदम व्यवस्थित नीटनेटकं आणि म्हणजे मुद्देसूद ते बोलतात. म्हणजे असं नाही विषय वेगळा आणि दुसरंच बोलतात असं नाही, त्या विषयानुसार एवढे मस्त बोलत होते ना. आणि पहिला प्रयत्न खूप सक्सेसफुल झालेला आहे. मला वाटतं यापुढे होणार आहे आणि
या प्रदर्शनामुळे आपल्या मुलांची विज्ञानातील आवड वाढण्यास मदत होऊ शकते.
मी सुरुवातीलाच बोललो की आपली ही मुलं ना नासा किंवा इस्रो किंवा ॲटॉमिक एनर्जी ह्या ठिकाणी अशा आस्थापनामध्ये ना बरीचशी मुलं जातील फ्युचरमध्ये. आम्ही जिवंत असलं तर बघू नक्कीच. पण हे जे इन्स्पिरेशन तुमच्याकडनं त्या लोकांनी घेतलं म्हणजे स्टुडंट लोकांनी ते वाखाणण्यात होतं. त्यांची जी कल्पनाशक्ती की त्यांचं जे काय होतं की दूरदृष्टी वगैरे हे जे बघितले ना तर वाखाणण्यात हो डाऊन.
ह्या प्रदर्शनामध्ये मुलांची जी मेहनत आहे, पालकांनी त्यांना चांगलं मार्गदर्शन केलेलं आहे, शिक्षकांनी मार्गदर्शन केलेलं आहे, तर ह्या प्रोजेक्टबद्दल जर तुम्हाला रेटिंग द्यायचं असेल तर म्हणजे कसं गुड, व्हेरी गुड, एक्सलेंट,
मी
आउटस्टँडिंग.
याच्यातलं जे अतिशय उत्तमातलं उत्तम असेल ना, एक्सलेंट किंवा आउटस्टँडिंग ते मी नक्कीच देणार. कारण मला ह्याची कल्पना म्हणजे मी ॲटोमिक एनर्जीमध्ये ना सर्व्हिस केलेली आहे, त्यामुळे ना मला हे जे प्रदर्शन आहे ना ते अतिशय सुरेख डाऊट येणार. मला वाटतं की पालकांनी ना ह्याच्यात इनिशिएटिव्ह घेऊन आपल्या मुलांना इन्स्पायर करायला पाहिजे. कारण अशा सगळ्या गोष्टीमध्ये ना त्यांना मार्गदर्शन केलं आणि तुमचं मार्गदर्शन आहे. मी सांगितलं सुरुवातीला की आपली मुलं ना इस्रो किंवा नासा ह्या ठिकाणी ना नक्कीच पोहोचतील.
थँक्यू.
थँक्यू.
I propose the members that they take out geography list. Every year, that must be 100% result of this exhibition. Very nice. Effort was very good. Only one thing that is there are lots of noise. The explanation is not possible to. They were giving good explanation. Very difficult to listen due to crowd and due to the kids. And it, thanks to all the teachers.
स्टुडंट जे आहेत त्यांचे शेवटचे मनापासून खूप खूप अभिनंदन आणि आभार. कारण त्यांनी जे पूर्ण जी चर्चा केलेली आहे ती अतिशय उत्तम आहे. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये मला सर्वात जास्त जे मनाला भावलं ते म्हणजे 16 नंबरची मायरा, अरे नाव काय सचिन मायराराव, जिने आजचं जे आपल्या पिढीचं खानपान बदललेलं आहे त्याच्याने काही प्रॉब्लेम होतात, किती प्रॉब्लेम होतात. माणसाचं वय कमी झालेलं आहे पण ते ज्यांनी शरीराची रचना दाखवलेली आहे त्या दिवशी उत्तम आहे. तर मला असं वाटतं की ज्यांनी लक्ष पहिलं बघावं आणि आपण पुन्हा आपली दिनचर्या कशी करायला पाहिजे ते त्याच्यातून बोध घ्यायला पाहिजे.
एकदम मस्त केलेलं आहे आणि त्यांचं एक्सप्रेशन जे आहे ते एकदम मस्त आहे. त्यांना सायन्सविषयी खूप ज्ञान आहे. त्यांनी मुलांनी हार्टविषयी सांगितलं आहे, प्रदूषणविषयी सांगितलेलं आहे आणि इतर कंपनीमध्ये कसं काय वागायचं त्याबद्दलही सांगितलेलं आहे. तर म्हणून मस्त एकदम छानपैकी एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. त्याबद्दल तुमच्या सर्वांचे आणि मुलांचे अभिनंदन, सर्व टीचरचे आणि मुलांचे
धन्यवाद. तुम्हाला कोणते मॉडेल आवडले सर्वात जास्त?
मला सर्वात जास्त आवडले त्या 7th स्टँडर्डच्या मुलींनी जे हार्टविषयी जे सांगितली आहे ही माहिती ती खूप अतिशय सुंदर माहिती तिने सांगितलेली आहे. आणि दुसरी मला आवडली ती म्हणजे जे कंपनी आणि हॉस्पिटल यांचे जे प्रदूषण होते ते कसं टाळायचं त्याबद्दल त्यांनी जी माहिती सांगितली ती खूप छान सांगितली.
Yes, sure. The exhibition is too good and our children's effort is so much. And we are also very impressed. Right.
अशा प्रकारे मुलांना प्रत्येक वेळेस प्रोत्साहन देत राहिल्यानंतर व्यतिरिक्त चांगल्या गतीला येईल आणि मुलांनी मेहनतीत घेतलेली आहे ती त्यांची दिसून येत आहे. अशा प्रकारे आमचे सदस्य आणि शुभेच्छा तुम्हाला नेहमीच असतात.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
All the students were outstanding. You can see along with their projects, they had the confidence level that they had in them was outstanding. It was just beyond the expectations. Very nice.
My next question is, which project or model did you find most innovative?
Actually, to say all the projects were excellently good, to identify like which was the better, it's really hard to say.
Okay. Now, do you feel, as a parent, do you feel that this exhibition helped children develop a deeper interest in science?
Yes, definitely it helped the children because new innovative ideas came out of them. The cooperation among themselves, how what do you say? The children were like confident enough.
Thank you. My next question is that what is that one thing we could change to make future exhibitions even more engaging for both parents and students?
The problem, everything went on good, but the thing was, it was like overcrowded, you can say. Children's, what were they saying? They were saying it very good, but we couldn't hear it because of the noise all around. So we could work on something on that.